In this video, I'm going to teach you how to split graphics and photos for Instagram using Pixellab, so that when your pictures are being slid to the left, it will look as if it is still one image, whereas you have splitted it. Now that you've opened your Pixellab, I will use a very simple image and then we split it into two to make this concept very easy. Now that you have your Pixellab open, import that image into Pixellab. We are using one image, we want it to appear twice. Now you go to this tab and import your image from gallery. Click from gallery and select the image. Let's say we are making the use of this image. So this image, the dimension cannot give us two perfect squares. Don't worry, activate and then go to this tab here, this one, click that side. Once you click it, locate image size, click on it, then you type your width and the breadth. Let's use 2000 by 1000. Now that you have this, if you click on grid line, we are having two perfect squares. So you are going to split this image at that part into two. But first, save this image in this size. Click here, save as image. You see the dimension, width is 2000, height is 1000. So save it to gallery first. So once your image is now in that dimension, then you now start a new project. Take it back to default, delete this text, and then proceed to import your image again. Once you click here, you go to from gallery. You then locate your image that you've saved. It will be under Pixellab folder. This is it here. And then you can see the dimension at the top here is 2000 by 1000. Can you see? So now that you have it in, you just click on crop. Click on crop. Can you see crop? Once you click crop, then you select one by one. Select one by one, and then you drag it to the left. Click activate. Save it directly to your gallery. Save as image. Save in the highest possible dimension. Ultra. Then you save to gallery. All your savings should be in ultra so that the image will be in its own quality. So image has been saved. You click on crop again. I mean this place. Crop it again. Click on crop, drag it to the right. You see you are having one square with grid lines, another square without grid lines. We've saved the one at the left, so we are saving the one at the right now. So click on it. Once you have it like this, you click on save again, save as image. You then proceed to the highest dimension possible, which is ultra. Then you save to gallery. When you have your two images saved, then you can post to Instagram, and then it will have a slide-like look. When you slide the image to your left side, half will show first, then the second one will also come along with it, making it look as if you join the two images together, but you are going to upload the two images at the same time. So that is how to split images in Pixellab.